Well, that's what I picked out of the fleet. We got the Comanche, we got the LTR. We're down here for the sandrail event. They got a bunch of them over here. I grab a flag and a burrito real quick. Yeah, we gotta come check out some sandrails. There's some sick ones here. It's like a whole show. All right, burrito secured. Let's go get a flag. Hopefully they got the titties flag. Flag's secured. We got all set up. We got the Comanche paddles flipped back over, so it's in its wide stance. Ended up finding Ty. You guys remember Ty with the sandrail? Insert clip. So they let me park up with them. We're gonna go over and check out the sandrail stuff, and Nizzle's pulling in right now. Came down to support Dylan, got the pit crew going. All right, let's go pull over, see if we can put this in the show. Hopefully they accept it. It's not a sandrail. See if we can get some reactions. We got somebody videoing us. Hopefully he sees the video. Alright, let's see if we can start a crowd. We can get some reactions here. Best reactions right now.
Alright, we've been waiting to meet you.
I finally.
Coming in, I'm like, what in the hell?
Oh, you guys parked behind me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see you.
We'll trade it straight across.
This out for me.
Yep.
Throw it on the seat or wherever.
Gotcha. Thank you. Gosh, I'm shaking just driving it over here. I can't even write my name. Oh, sorry, but
You got a nice bike.
thank you.
That's my best friend.
So I think we started something over here. We got a pretty good crowd. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. Is it a K? I can't tell. You the Honda boy. What is it? It's a back manifold. One-wheel drive though, dude. I don't know about the... Do you think the one-wheel drive's going anywhere? This thing's pretty sick. Whoever owns this, props to you. That is badass. Now this car, I've seen this around multiple times. Watching this go around Devil's Dune in Idaho was pretty sick. Another sick one. Let's see what else we got here. I can't believe how many rails are here. This is nuts. Yeah. Hey, look, I know this car. This is a pretty sick rail. I remember this one. It's not bad. No, what we should do is I'll just have you rate everything.
your lies anymore. I don't want your lies anymore. I don't want your lies anymore. I don't want your lies anymore.
Alright, the chaos is starting. It leaks everything. Trans is leaking, everything's leaking.
Well, that's normal 12 valve stuff.
So what about when I hit the top of the mountain and it spits out 1.5 gallons of coolant? Is that normal?
No, no.
Because it's only running 140 degrees. Once it's at a happy level, it gets done spitting it all out, and then it just runs 140 all the time.
Yes.
That normal?
Yep.
Well, it's just flexed out. We're done with the show. We're gonna go try to get some shots of these sandrails ripping up the saddle to the backside. So that'll be pretty cool. Stick around for that. There is a lot of cool stuff out here. Okay, you guys. Got the helmet, gear on. Me and Nizzle are just gonna go putt around for a minute. Everybody's getting video. I'm gonna take one of these cones out. This thing's so dang wide.
Lift it.
Up the hill?
Done it before.
Yeah, I'm just worried it's gonna blow all the coolant out. We'll spend the next hour doing coolant. Alright, everybody wants a show. I guess we're going up the mountain. Yeah, it's gonna do it until it gets okay.
That's exactly how my mixer is too.
Hell yeah! We'll take it up.
What's the run on ET? That's pretty hotter.
Go. Guys. But it's all over the place.
Is it?
Fucking
Attaboy, girl.
Ford Raptor. That's pretty sick that a Raptor made it up.
Up that way too. I don't know if he's just playing on the back side.
Dude, that's a perfect shot.
What's gonna be fun? To race it down?
Yeah. Try to get some air flowing. Front brakes are kind of working, as you guys can see. They're digging in. I ain't got way too much air in these tires. When I went to go turn back there at the top, it was a mess. Yeah, it's steering left, right. It's all over the place. Yeah, this is sketchy. Last time I came down, there wasn't so many ruts, but thing finds a rut, it's going in it. Again?
Are you gonna run it again?
No. Not right now. I'll run it later. Let's head on back. Maybe check the coolant. Then we're gonna go find a 6-spot to go find the rails going up on their ride. She went up.
Huh?
It went up. Did you see it?
No.
Oh. Well, we lost the dipstick. That's not good.
LTR, here we come.
Let's go hunt for a dipstick, I guess. Did it just barely fall off though? Because wouldn't my boot be covered in trans fluid? Guess we're unloading the LTR to go find a dipstick. Lost my dipstick on the Banshee.
Oh.
So if you see a little purple tube, it's mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it leaking when you were coming down the hill?
I think that was coolant.
Oh.
I hope.
Right. I got my eye open.
Yeah. Thank you. Hey, if you find a purple dipstick, it's mine.
Cal could be on the lookout for it.
I can't find it, but I'm gonna go up where those razors are. I'm recording. Dude, that's the entire bottom end.
Well, now you got a sight glass.
I knew that stroker crank was out of balance, but I didn't know it was that out of balance. That's 2 engines in 2 weekends. Should be fine, right? Hey, did you give me a strap?
See any deer?
Got you one.
Let's go see if we can find some chunks of metal.
I don't know.
The gas light on it? Nothing. I bet you that crank let go.
Yep. Right into the trans.
Yeah, probably just kind of stretched out into everything. Oh yeah, that sounds real nice. How do you want me to just loop it around so it doesn't?
Yeah, whatever. Hook it to my muffler, I don't give a shit.
Wish I could put it in neutral, it won't even shift. I'm sure on the ride back I got some sand.
Dude, is that the new two-piece crank?
So there is chunks of metal over there, but they're probably buried in the sand. Cranking. Clutch in. See if you can grab the rod.
Yeah, put your finger in there.
I'll crank it, you grab the rod.
Alright, we're gonna hurry, jack it up, swap the paddles back, hurry and throw this on, because this one's hurt.
It's kind of a good thing all your shit's breaking, because I need to go home. It's about time for me to leave anyway.
Yeah. That one's out. Yep. I don't know if I'd call that a successful mission, but it was a very good time. Cannot believe I windowed the LTR. I've known it's had this sound since I put that hot rods crank in it, and I should have had it balanced. I don't know who that guy was, but he's waving. Should have balanced it, didn't, and that pretty much cost me a whole block, but that's fine. We'll figure that out this winter. Everybody's pointing at the Comanche. Appreciate you guys watching the videos. I appreciate everybody out here, like so many cool people, just talking with people is nice. Like today was kind of a day where I could, you know, meet the people that watch the videos, and the feedback is insane. Like everybody's so pumped about what we're doing with this. So I do appreciate it. It's good to see everybody. Ty, thank you again for letting me just pull up to your camp, hang out for a little bit. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.